Dear student, today we are going to start chapter number 12, that is exponent and powers. In the previous class, in class 7, we have learned about power, exponent and power. We know that when we write 4 by 4 to the power 5, how we will write? It means 4 should be multiplied by 4 times into 4 into 4 times. That means 4 multiply by itself 5 times. Here we have to understand is that 4 is base. Okay, 4 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Or we read as we read 4 to the power 5 is 4 raised to the power 5. In the 4 to the power 5, it means that we have to multiply 4 itself by 5 times. That means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into. So here, this is 4 is a base and this is a exponent. 4 is a base and the 5 is exponent. We can read as 4 to the power 5 as 4 raised to the power 5. So in this way, we have learned in our earlier class. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about exponential powers and their rules when the exponent is an integer. Understand? That means in this chapter, we will learn about the exponent is an integer. Okay, we are going to learn an integer. That is, it could be -3 or -5 and not necessarily 3 or 5. So exponent is an integer. It could be -3 or -5 and not necessary to be only positive. It should be also negative sign. Okay, so let's discuss. First, let's discuss negative exponent. Negative exponent. In a negative exponent, in general, for I'll write the formula. Okay, I'll write the rules only. A non-zero integers, that is a. In case of a, what we are going to write, a to the power negative m, then it will equal with a to the power 1 divided by a to the power m. When the power is a negative, then you have to write in this way. So what happened? Let's see. What happened if we multiply a to the power minus m and a to the power m? What will the answer? A to the power minus m into a to the power minus m is equal to 1. Right? Now you will have 1 point here. So a to the power minus m is the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of a to the power minus m. So here in case of we learn from here in the negative exponent, power with negative exponent, or you can say the power with negative exponent in general for a non-zero integers a, that is a to the power negative m is equal to 1 by a to the power minus m. When what happens if we multiply if we multiply a to the power negative m and a to the power positive m, then you will get the product as 1. So a to the power minus m is a reciprocal of multiplicative inverse of a to the power positive m. Here we can find out about the reciprocals and the multiplicative inverse of integers of negative exponent as well as the positive exponent. So let's see one example. Let's see one example here. The reciprocal of 10 to the power minus 7. What is the reciprocal of 10 to is 10 to the power 7. We have to change the sign. We have to change the sign so that we will understand. We have to change the sign. The reciprocal of minus 1 10 to the power minus 7 is 10 to the power positive 7. This is the answer. Understand? So in the next we will learn about the laws of the laws of the exponents, and for that we have learned in the class 7. We will repeat again, we will recall again with that rules of power exponent and power. We are going to calculate the exercise. First we will revise that rules and then we will go to the exercise. Next we will have the exponent and the powers. The reciprocal of a rational number. If a by b is an non-zero rational number, then its reciprocal is b by a. We understand, you all understand what is the reciprocal a by b, that is b by a. And if we write a by b bracket to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a, this is the reciprocal. Okay, now a to the power a by b bracket power m will equal to a by a to the power m and b to the power m. The reciprocal of a by b to the power m is equal to b to the power m divided by a to the power m. So we can write in common again here. This is a reciprocal of the rational numbers. Okay, these are the reciprocals of the rational numbers. Next is the law of the exponent. Multiplication of number with the same base. If a is any non-zero integers and m and n are the whole numbers, then with same base means a into a, the power is different, a to the power m and the b to the power n. When the two bases are common and the two powers are not in common, then the power should be add up, a to the power n plus n. That is the first law. Multiply with same base, multiplication with same base. And the second one is division of number with the same base. The same thing, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Then the sign will be power, both power of same base will be subtraction. That is law number 2. And the next one is taking power of power. That is a to the power m bracket a to n. Then the two powers should be multiplied. That is rule number 3, taking power of a power. And rule number 4, multiplication of two numbers with same exponent. Now again, look here. In this case, in the first law 1, law 2, law 3, in this law 1, 2 and 3, they have same base. Here in the law number 4, base are different and the exponent are same. Here a to the power m into b to the power m equal to a to the power m holding bracket to the power m. That means power can be taken as a common. Understand? In the lower number. Next, that is number 5. The division of two numbers with same exponent. That means same power. If we have same power and the base are different, the division of a to the power m divided by b to the power m is a to the power m divided by b to the power m. So a by b we can take it power as a common. That is m. M should be the common to both a divided by b. And the last one, this one is a rule number 5, and the last one is 0 as exponent. How will you find 0 exponent? Let's see. For any, see, 5 into 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power minus negative 6 is equal to, so the base are same, then we have to add up. So when we add up, then 5 rise to power 0, because 6 plus minus 6 is equal to 0. So 5 to the power 0. Now 5 to the power minus 6 is equal to 1 by 5 to the power 1 divided by 5 to the power 6. So if you multiply 5 to the power by 6 into 5 divided 1 divided by 5 to the power 6, you will get answer 1. Thus the value of any number rise to power 0 is equal to 1. That is a to the power 0 is equal to, the answer will be always 1. Understand? These are the 6 laws that we have to be used in this chapter. So let's start the exercise. Try this first. Let's start with the try this page number 195. Question number 1, that is simplify and write in the exponential form. Let's see. Let's calculate this. Here minus 2 to the power minus to the power minus 3 into minus 2 to the power minus 4. Here in this case we have seen that same base is here. So if the same base is there, we have to use the using, that is first law. First law, if the base are equal into n, then what is the answer? Base, if the base equal, then power should be add up. This is a first law, so we have to use the first law in this question. How we are going to use? Base are same, that means minus 2 to the power minus 3 plus minus 4. See, here comes minus 2 minus plus, answer will be power will be minus 7, minus 2 to the power minus 7. Then what will be this? Or we can write like this: 2 by 1 divided by minus 2 by, or 1 divided by minus 2 to the power 7. In this way we can write. We are using the first law, that same base, multiplication of number with the same base. Then if there is a same base, then the power of 2 base will be at. Next, let's start exercise 12.1, page number 97, question number evaluate Roman number 3. Let's see, in this question we have 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 5. That means that 1 divided by 2, this number should be multiplied how many times? 5 times. Okay, now let's see here. 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 to the power 5, right? Then here comes 1 by how much? 1 by 1 half into half into half into half, how many times? 5 times. Then what is it? What will be the answer? Answer will be 1 by 32. Now when we divide come in this side, then it will answer will be 1 by 32. The answer will be how much? Answer will be 32. This is the evaluate question number 1. So Roman number 3 solution. Now we will have second question. They simplify and express the answer in the power notation with the positive exponent. We have to find out, simplify and express the power in the positive exponent. Let's see question number 2. Now question number 2, we have Roman number 1, minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. So this will be the second law, when the same base and same base division of same base. This is a second law, division of number with same base. Okay, so we will solution here. A to the power, the second law says that a to the power m divided by a to the power n n, then a to the power m minus n. We have to follow the second law. So here comes same base are same, so we will have minus 4 to the power, that means 5 minus 8, then answer will come 4 to the power minus 3 will be the answer. Here comes 1 divided by minus 4 to the power 3 will be the answer. This will be the answer for Roman number 1 answer. For the question number 2, Roman number 4 answer, let's see how it calculate. Here in the Roman number 4 also we have seen that inside the bracket base are same thing. So first we will complete we will calculate. Next question number, Roman number 4, we have to calculate the first inside the bracket numbers, and then after that we will work out the outside the bracket. So the inside the bracket is law number 2, there is a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that means a to the power m minus n. This will be the second law. So let's calculate this first one. So here comes base are same, so 3 minus 3 to the power minus 7 minus 10 equal to, here we put third bracket, equal to 3 to the power minus 5. Here come 3 to the power minus here one minus is there, minus 7 power is minus 7 plus 10, third bracket is there, into 3 to the power minus 5. Then here inside the bracket we can calculate minus 7 plus 10, that is minus plus minus is greater than, we will do we will calculate we will continue as a minus. 10 minus 7 is equal to, that is 3. So digit is greater by the positive sign, so we will write here 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 and into 3 to the power minus 5. Here comes again, in this case same base are multiplied, then if the same base are multiplied, then power will be added, both power will be added. Here this is the first law, so 3 plus power to 5, then answer will be 3 to the power, the answer will be 3 to the power minus 2. Then this will be the reciprocal, this will be the 3 to the power a divided by 1 divided by 3 to the power 2, or we can write as 3 to the power 2. In this way we will calculate this Roman number 4. Now let's see Roman number 3 again. Next, this is question number 3, find the value of. See, in this question we have seen that this one 3 to the power 0, that means 3 to the power 0 means 0 of exponent. We have already learned about the 0 of exponent. So 0 of exponent is equal to the answer will be 1. Let's see, a to the power 0, then answer will be definitely 1. Here comes a a to the power minus 1, that is negative exponent. Then if there is a negative exponent, then we have to write like this, a to the power 1. These are the two things that we have used in this question number 1. Here comes a to 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1, that is a negative exponent. Then into 2 to the power 2. Then this will be 1 plus this will become in form of fraction, 1 to the power 1 by 4 into 2, 2 to the power 2. Here comes 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 2. Here comes 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 2. That means 5 by 4 into 2 times means 4. We can cancel this 4. Then the answer will become 5. 5 is the value of this question. Now we will have question Roman number 5, that is second bracket, then first bracket, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2, and second bracket, and again power 2. There are 2 power here in this case and 2 bracket also there. So let's see. Here in this solution we have, these are the 2 things that we have learned about this division or multiplication of multiplication of powers. In this case, first we will multiply the powers in common. Here comes a to the power m n is equal to a into m, a into n. Power should be multiplied. So here comes minus 2 by 3. We will multiply 2 into minus negative 2 into 2, then is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 3 equal to minus power 4. Minus 2 by 3 is power, that power is minus 4. So let's see here again. We will continue another rules, that is when we divide a by b, that means a by b m, that means a to the power m divided by b to the power m. We have to use this law again, this in this step, that is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. That means minus 2 to the power minus 4 and 3 to the power minus 4. Here comes again. We will take the reciprocals of both answer. Then we will have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here comes minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. After taking the reciprocal, this become 81 by 16. Or we can calculate this step here. We can calculate in this way also, or we can calculate this way. 2 minus 2 to the power minus 4. That means divided by 3 to the power base 3 to the power minus 4. Here in form of negative, that is in the negative exponent, so we can calculate in this way also. 1 by 2 to the power 4 divided by 1 by 3 to the power 4. Then it comes minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 4 into, when we take the reciprocal, then it will be 3 to the power 4. Then we will come this step. In this way also we can calculate this exponent negative. So this is Roman number 5 question, and the last we will have, let's evaluate question number 4, Roman number 4. The next question number 4, evaluate Roman number 1. Let's see. A to to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Let's evaluate this. Now it comes 8 to the power minus 1 into, that is 5 times, or 3 times, that is 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Then here's 8 is, that is a negative exponent, so we'll write here 8 1 by 8 into 5 to the power into 5, that is 125. 5, if you multiply 5 3 times, then it becomes 125. And what about this 2 to the power minus 4? 2 to the power minus 4 will become what? 2 to the power 4. Then it comes 1 to the power minus 8 into 2 to the power 2 into 125. Now here comes 4. Now again you can get this 2. Now again you can get this 2 1. What will the answer? 2 into 1 2 5. The answer will be 0 5 and 2. The answer will be the 250. This is the answer for the question number 4 question number 4 evaluate Roman number 1. Up to this is the first, up to this will be the first part of this chapter number 12, power and the exponent and the power. In the next we will have use of exponent to express a small number in the standard form. That will be the part 2. In this will be the part 2 session. For part 1, let's wind up here. Thank you.